How to change shirt color in Photoshop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily change your shirt color on Photoshop. So let's get started. So as you can see, currently I've imported one image. So in this example I'll be showing how you can easily change this color of this jersey to different color. So since this is an image, I will simply head over to this image section at the navigation bar and simply click on adjustment. And once you're inside adjustment, just head over to the replace color section, and once you click on it, you can also adjust the fuzziness of your jersey or your clothes based on how much visibility you want. And now simply select the color that you want to change. So let's say I want to change this whole jersey over here, and simply click on this option, color option over here, and let's say I want to change it to something like this or some color like this. And you can also increase or decrease the fuzziness, so I'll simply show you once again. So you can also change it to different color like this. So based on the color choices you like, you can simply increase it or decrease it just like this. And you can even change the HSP value or RGB value just like this, and click on OK, and your jersey color should be changed successfully. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.